Hello students, myself Dr. Deepak Verma. In this video, I will explain Fellini's method to locate center of most critical circle. First of all, we must know what is the meaning of most critical circle. For stability analysis of finite slopes, a number of slip circles are taken and factor of safety for each trial is found. The circle giving the minimum factor of safety is called most critical circle. So, a number of trials are necessary for determining minimum factor of safety. To reduce these trials, it is essential to locate a line on which the center of most critical circle lies. Fellini's give a method to locate center of most critical circle by drawing a line that is called Fellini's line. For drawing Fellini's line, it is necessary to locate 2 points. In this method, assume an inclined surface UC. As shown in figure, it is the inclined surface UC, where h is the height of inclined surface. From U, that is upstream slope, draw a line at an angle of alpha to the inclined surface, and from C, draw a line at an angle of beta with the horizontal, and the point of intersection of these two lines intersect at point A. So we can locate first point, that is point A. For locating second point, point B, it is at a distance of 4.5 times h from upstream and at a depth of h from toe of the slope, and the point of intersection of these two lines we may locate another point B. So by joining A and B, it is the Fellini's line. So the procedure is, first of all, draw point A. For this, draw two lines from U at an angle of alpha with upstream and from C at an angle of beta with horizontal, as shown in this figure. Alpha from upstream U and from C at an angle of beta with the horizontal. The values of alpha and beta depends upon the slope, and the relation between alpha and beta with respect to slope is given in this table. For point B, the point is at a distance of 4.5 times the height of the inclined surface from upstream bottom, that is U, and at a depth of h from toe, and the point of intersection we may locate another point B. Join these points A and B, and AB it is called Fellini's line on which center of most critical circle lies. The center of trial circle are taken on this line AB as O, O dash, O double dash, and so on, and the factor of safety corresponding to different trials are plotted as normal. As shown in this figure, assume it is a Fellini's line AB, then these are the centers of trial circles O, O dash, O double, and so on, and factor of safety corresponding to different trials are drawn as normal to this AB. Then obtain a curve by joining all these points. The point on AB with minimum factor of safety indicates the center of most critical circle. That is, it is the minimum factor of safety, and corresponding to this point is called the center of most critical circle. By this method, we can determine the center of most critical circle. Thank you.